I'd like to introduce you to the Samuel P702 high-speed strapping machine. This machine is designed to run 5, 6, and 9 millimeter strapping. It runs on a standard power supply of 110 volts. Before operating the machine, first secure the thumb casters. Then, to operate the machine, first use the push button. Second, standard foot bar, or third, Photoeye, which we will get into in greater detail later. Next, we're going to demonstrate the strap ejector function. The machine will continue to operate normally until it reaches the end of the coil, and then the excess strap will be removed from the machine. Once the strap has been ejected, the LCD panel will indicate to load the new strap. The excess strap has been returned to the dispenser area. Simply open the door and remove the excess strap. We are now ready to change the coil. Using the handle, lift the dispenser up to the waist height position. Remove the quick lock nut and take off the flange. We are now ready to load the new coil. Install the new coil on the dispenser, aligning the arrows on the coil with the arrow on the dispenser for proper strap feed direction. Return the outer flange and secure the quick lock nut. After removing the eye ties that secured the strap, lower the dispenser back into the machine. Hold the end of the strapping while removing the direction label. Press the brake release and dispense approximately 2 feet of strapping. Feed the strap over the first guide roller and through the tube. You'll notice the spring move if you've fed the strap through the tube properly. This is an important function because this is the end of coil detector. Note the natural downward curve of the strapping. Insert the strap into the feed tube until it stops at the feed roller. Now lift the lever and push the strap past the feed roller approximately 1 inch. Now that you've completed the threading of the strap, close the dispenser door. The display will tell you to push start. This will activate the automatic loading function. You'll hear the strap feed through the machine. The display now states that you are ready to operate. We will now demonstrate machine operation and the controls. You can activate a strap cycle by using the foot bar, the panel switch, or the Photoeye feature. The control panel features a readable display and all controls needed to operate the machine. The tension selector switch can be adjusted to operate at low or high tension. The tension dial allows you to adjust the tension range while in high tension mode. The special function button is used for maintenance. The control panel is hinged so that it can be operated from either side of the machine. The Photoeye has 3 options. 0 is the off position. 1 allows for a single strap cycle. N allows for numerous strap cycles. Timer 1 controls the first cycle delay. Timer 2 controls the delay between cycles. If a jam should occur after a strapping cycle, remove the package, press the green button to open the track, remove the excess strap from the arch, hold the strap firmly, press the green button, remove the excess strap, and the track will refeed and you're ready to go again. If the machine is cycled without a package in position, it will eject the loop of strapping wrapped around the seal head. The machine will refeed the track as normal, allowing the next strap cycle. If for any reason you need to remove the strap from the machine, simultaneously hold down the special function button and the green button for 2 seconds. This will exhaust the strap into the dispenser area.